Forget everything you know about farming. This is not science fiction. This is the dawn of Agriculture 4.0.
Before a single seed is planted, millions of data points are analyzed in milliseconds.
Meet the new workforce. No sleep, no breaks. Just pure, autonomous efficiency.
We don't just wait for rain anymore. We command the desert to bloom.
Precision planting at the microscopic level. Every seed is given a perfect start. Water is no longer wasted. It's delivered with surgical accuracy by floating hydration rings. Inside these vertical labs, crops are safe from storms, pests, and pollution.
When the sun goes down, the farm wakes up. UV spectrums accelerate photosynthesis by 300%. The entire ecosystem runs on 100% renewable energy. The road itself powers the transport.
Artificial climate control ensures the perfect breeze, strengthening the stalks without breaking them.
Disease isn't fought with chemicals. It's fought with nanobots, repairing plants cell by cell.
Drone swarms operate like a hive mind, delivering nutrients exactly where they are needed.
The result? Flawless produce, grown in its own perfect microclimate. What used to take months now takes weeks. This is hyperspeed biology.
But the real show begins at harvest. Behold, the Titan Harvester.
Blades are obsolete. High-intensity lasers slice through crops with zero friction. No tires means no soil compaction. These giants float on anti-gravity cushions.
It inhales acres of crops in minutes, separating grain faster than the eye can see.
Inside, magnetic fields levitate the grain, ensuring 99.9% purity.
Nothing is wasted. The leftovers are instantly compressed into biofuel bricks. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the harvest never stops.
Machines talk to machines, moving in a perfect, synchronized ballet of destruction and creation.
From the field to the transport pod in seconds. No trucks, just vacuum speed.
Maglev trains rush the fresh harvest to the cities at supersonic speeds.
In the processing hubs, robotic arms sort fruit faster than the human eye can track. Bad apples aren't just thrown away. They are vaporized instantly by laser scanners. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness for months without a single drop of chemical preservatives.
From the soil to the table, untouched by human hands.
Heavy lift drones bypass traffic, delivering food straight to the sky cities. This is the future of food. Welcome to Process Hub.